Alright guys, we're last going to talk about piecewise functions, which I think are easy once you understand what's going on. So like in a lot of math, when you initially look at it, it's extremely intimidating. You got these brackets and these braces and you got all this mumbo jumbo, and it's very intimidating, but it's actually not a difficult idea. Okay, so let's take a look at it. It says finally expect to use piecewise functions. A piecewise function gives different rules based on the value of x. So for example, if I say f of x equals x squared minus 3 for all, this is saying x squared minus 3 for all x's that are greater than or equal to 0, and 2x plus 1 is what you do when x is less than 0, find the following. So they give us f of 5. So all you have to do is you look at this and you say, okay, well, is f of 5, is the number 5 greater than or equal to 0 or less than 0? 5 is greater than or equal to 0. So you substitute in here. So notice that 5 squared is 25 minus 3, which is 22. That's all you got to do. Just make this, see if the statement is true. So look at the next one. F of 2 minus f of 1, f of negative 1. Well, all we have to do is say, okay, well, f of 2. Is f of 2 greater than or equal to, is 2 greater than or equal to 0, or is it less than 0? Well, 2 is greater than 0. So notice they did 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. And then we took the next statement, which is negative 1. Okay, look at negative 1. Is negative 1 greater than or equal to 0 or less than 0? It's less than 0, so we plugged it in here. 2x plus 1 is now 2 times negative 1, which is negative 2, plus 1, which is negative 1. And then solved and got 2. Okay. The last one, f of 1, we go again in the statement, we say, okay, well, f of 1, is that greater than 0 or equal to 0, or is it less than 0? It's clearly greater than or equal to. 1 squared is 1, 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So notice here how they said f of 1 is negative 2. Then you look at negative 2. Is negative 2 greater than or equal to 0, or is it less? It's less, so 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. So it's a statement that says if the value is here, then you do this. If the value is here, then you do this. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense. In the next video, we'll actually be tackling problems. So enough of this talk. Let's do some math.